Network Entertainment.
Oo, pero ano kasi, marami kaming members na part of the LGBTQ plus
spectrum.
community. Yes, oo, marami. And to be honest, I think at some point, good plus sila sa amin. Kasi of course, iba yung strength nila at some point. And then, may mga topics kami na sa kanila galing. So, alam mo yun, mix yung mind namin pagdating sa mga usapan.
Yan. So, inclusive and very open.
Kaya ang maganda doon, ang crew nila babae din.
Okay.
Right. What's going on mga katunay? Welcome to another episode of Tunay na Rider. At sa episode na to, no?
Yung tunay na riders of the week natin.
Oo, special tong mga to. We have here the Rebels joining us for this show. Guys, why don't you introduce yourselves?
Ladies.
Of course. Hello. Good evening, guys. Ako nga pala si Miss Techie. Also, full name ko is Julian Tolentino, the current president of the Rebels PH. And of course, beside me,
I'm Frances Mejia. I am currently the secretary of the Rebels.
Ayun. Welcome to the show, ladies.
Thank you.
At Women's Month, no? I
Yes.
believe kayo ang pinakamalaking, what's that?
Big Bike Lady Riding Group in the Philippines.
that
That
actually-
really rides.
Uy,
Yeah.
may peke ba?
Ba't kasi may bat?
Sino ba yung grupo na malaki na hindi nag-ride?
Wala. Grabe.
Ano
Ang
ba yung...
init agad. Ba't gano'n?
Nakatapat.
Kontrobersya agad, no?
Aircon ba?
Bilang kayo ang pinakamalaking lady rider group who actually rides, no? Big bikes. Tell us, kwentuhan nyo naman kami, why does this group exist?
Well, yung main purpose talaga is to unite, empower women na nagre-ride ng big bikes. So, which is why we have the group to empower them, also to have a solid community then for everyone na gusto mag-ride ng big bike na ladies.
Of course, ladies.
Ilan na kayo sa grupo nyo tsaka gano'n nakatagal to?
We are since 2020. Nag-start siya maliit lang actually. Yeah, pandemic time. Sila Inday Rider, one of the founders. So, mga 5 lang ata sila noon. Wala pang 10. And then, last year, highest, I think, no? Sa 86 ang nagpa-member. And then, this year kasi meron kaming renewal. Nasa 30 plus pa lang yung nagre-renew from 86.
Ganon? Like, pag hindi ka nag-renew the following year, you're kinda out?
Hindi naman kinda out. We'll give you chance, but...
May penalty.
Walang penalty, pero walang benefits.
Curious about the benefits.
Yep.
Pero,
Iba parang ibang
Hindi na
benefits
pamalabo
no ikaw
din.
nagsabi.
Parang...
Iba dating.
Saan ka pagaling?
Iba nga gusto ni King sumali.
di naman ako qualified doon. Di naman
Hindi,
ako
kailangan mo ng partner. Kasi tumatanggap kami ng crew basta may kasamang lady rider.
Ay, hindi rin pasok si King.
lady, okay.
Patay.
Okay, moving on.
Iba, baka may tanong ka.
Okay, so, ang laking bagay kasi ng mission.
Okay.
And I think the honesty and yung pagkatunay ng isang group, that drives everything else, which is probably why you are the biggest lady rider group.
Yes.
Why yung mission nyo is to really empower women riders and have more women riders join.
Of
As opposed to
course.
maybe other groups na yung tropa lang nila.
Tambay-tambay
Diba? Yung
lang.
parang, lahat ng mga
Sama-sama lang.
nandito sa area namin and then yun ang group nila. So I guess going back to yung mission, no? How do you empower women riders?
Empower, big word. Pero
May party
actually,
list na ba?
ano ka ba? Binuka mo.
The Rebels
Hindi
party
pa.
list.
Hindi. Usually, sobrang simple lang naman ang ang approach namin. Kung may nakikita kami sa community, kung nasa event kami or nasa ride kami, may nakita kaming back ride ng isang big bike rider, tiyatanong namin kung nagbo-motor yung kasama. If not, of course, mag-training ka, sama ka sa amin, kami bahala sa'yo, i-guide ka namin. Tapos, dahil sa exposure namin online with our Facebook page and Instagram, maraming nagme-message kung paano sila sumali. So, dun pa lang, napapakita namin sa mga postings namin, sa mga rides namin, pag nakikita nila kami sa kalsada, kung gaano kami as a group. The common, makikita nila yung pinupuntahan namin, yung mga tawa namin, yung mga bonding namin. And then of course, parang, uy, may ganito palang group. So parang, how can I be part of this? And then pag as a group na namin sila, tsaka namin sila matutulungan ma-enhance yung skills nila. And kung meron kasi mga chances na kaya sila sumasama sa amin is to matanggal ang stress, makalimutan ng problema, tumawa, yan. So at some point, simple man, I think meron kaming unti-unting napapasok sa mga bawat members namin.
Galing, no? So yung mission, or parang yung company, values is to, one, inspire. Pag nakita kayo, nag-enjoy, naglo-long ride.
Network.
The next is to, to mentor and teach.
Of course.
Diba?
Oo.
Kung hindi sila marunong, you guys are there to guide.
To guide.
And mentor. So inspiring and guiding
Yep.
Yes.
women riders. That's how you
Exactly.
empower. Galing, galing.
And as a group, syempre, mas malakas ang dating, diba? Pag individually empowered na kayo, what more pag grupo na kayo?
Yan.
Party list na yan.
Party list next.
Okay.
Parang walis.
Yeah, si Congressman Julie tsaka si nominee
Patay.
Frances.
Second seat.
Okay, nabanggit nyo kanina, meron renewal yearly, no? But for the non-members pa, how do they get into the group?
They could just
Hazing ba to,
message
hazing?
the page or approach anyone from the Rebels as well to tell us na, interested sila, sumali. So,
Wala naman yung katulad dun sa
GP
nakaraang
boys.
guest namin, letter.
Grabe.
May endorsement letter. May endorsement letter.
Letter of intent.
Meron?
Letter of intent.
Meron kayo?
Hindi kami. Hindi kami.
And then may board
Hindi
meeting na
naman.
Hindi.
magpagaano.
Simple lang kami.
Yung
Simple
tanong
lang.
Ang notaryo mo dapat.
Meron kayo?
Message ka lang.
Kailangan notarize.
Pwede na.
Oo.
Okay.
Meron lang kaming certain requirements
Okay,
for
like?
to join. Of course, andun yung interest mo, and then of course, kailangan big bike owner ka. So, kailangan meron kang big bike, and then, actually, tumatanggap din naman kami, kunwari, big bike ng asawa mo. As long na magagamit mo siya, makasama kami, goods na
Okay,
sa amin
okay,
yun.
okay.
Kasi, alam mo naman, minsan pag mag-asawa, gamit din yan, diba? Tapos, we required formal training.
How do you define formal training?
Example, if it's from Honda or Motor Clyde, merong mga certain...
So may mga accredited na tanggap nyo as formal training.
Lalo
Okay.
yung mga zero talaga. Kung maaari, sa mga matitinding training schools talaga. Kasi hindi naman para sa amin yun, para sa kanila yun. And of course, we require the certificate. Hindi lang pictures or sinabi mo nag-training na ako. Kailangan namin certificate. And then of course, you have to ride with us for a certain ride count. Aspirant ka. And then, pag nakita namin na okay, good ka na after certain rides, tsaka namin bibigyan ng application.
Gaano katagal yung process?
Bale, the moment that you message us, kumbaga, isa ka ng aspirant. Kasi, pag nag-message ka or nag-approach ka sa amin, pwede ka namin bigyan ng form na makuha yung details mo, magiging aspirant ka na. And then, once naging aspirant ka, magkakaroon ka ng chance na makita yung list ng rides.
Sama ka
na
namin
meron.
sa GC.
Yes.
Planado na, like for the whole year?
Not the whole year, but
least a month
yeah,
before.
a month.
How
But
many
at least-
rides in a month you guys have?
At least 4.
At least
Once a week. Ibig sabihin,
Yeah,
At
parang
least once a
Every
week.
weekend,
Yes.
no?
Yep.
amazing.
Pero
So,
minsan sinasama namin ng weekday and events,
okay.
fellowship.
Kaya naman pala pag kami mga event at nakita namin kayo, ang dami nyo lagi. Full force.
Oo, kasi gusto namin yung naggaganong kami sa event.
Hahawi.
Tabi-tabi.
Hahawi sa
Dito
crowd.
na yung rebels yung
Empowerment.
baka natakot sila.
Empowerment. Amazing. Okay, nabanggit nyo kanina yung benefits, ladies, no? Why don't you tell the audience ano-ano ba yung benefits na yan for friends? For members?
For aspirants, of course.
friends with benefits. Grabe ka naman, King.
For members!
Pakikat.
Kaya pala gusto
Baka bigla,
sumali nito
uy,
eh.
baka bigla marami sumali.
Oy, hindi. For members nga, go.
Yeah. For aspirants, of course, you have the privilege to be with us. Kasi minsan, testing din naman, diba? Kung join tayo or goods tayo together. And then, for members itself, of course, the camaraderie, the group. And friendship, I believe, kakaroon din kayo ng friendship. Tapos, meron kaming mga ka-collab na brands. So, every time you buy stuff from them, meron discount for specifically for members like Alpine Star, Automoto, of course, and then yung shop ko, Miss Techie Gears and Coffee.
So,
Yun.
yung
Mga
mga
brands na kakolab natin.
So yung mga WWR products
Yeah,
sa
Top Fit.
shop mo.
Wala bang WWR?
We're working on it.
Sandali, JC, meron ba?
Meron.
Meron?
Meron.
Oh, yun.
Oh,
Exclusive. Meron na.
Ay,
Yun.
tagad.
Ayan.
Si
Approver,
JC.
Beaver.
Si
Meron
JC,
din
yung big
kaming,
boss ng ano.
Yes.
Sorry, yung big muse ng WWR. Approved na.
Sa Moto Market or sa M-World, meron din kaming discount basta member ka. Tapos sa mga certain brand of tires, meron din.
Ano yung mga tires?
Sa Pirelli, nakakain kami discount.
Kila Philip, Pipoy.
Boss Philip, shout out.
Si Boss Pipoy, okay. What else?
So, of course, besides the discounts, last year, it's 1,000
Yes.
for the membership.
Pesos.
Renewal, yes. Dollars ba gusto mo? For the
Afford nyo naman okay lang yun.
For the 1,000 last year, meron na siyang insurance from One Life worth 150 yung coverage, no?
Yes.
And then may t-shirt na siya, may 200 na matitira is your donation for the group. But this year, tinaasan namin.
Yes. So, this year, tinasa na namin siya to 2,000. Kasi marami din namang expenses ang isang buong grupo. Tsaka, since yung membership din, meron ng additional na requirements para maging member, hindi natin lahat ma-cover. So, with that bigger fund, we can
Yes.
help our fellow members as well. So, like, for example...
Wala kaming free breakfast sa group, pero marami kaming charity rides. So pag may charity ride, sama lang kayo as a grupo na pondo yung pagkain, yung ibibigay natin dun sa beneficiary, whatever it is. And this year, sinimulan namin yung kung sasali kayo sa mga skills competition, sasagutin ng grupo.
Oh,
like,
Amazing. Sa Motor Clyde.
Ano
Yung
yung
Motor
huling-
Clyde, yung National Riding Skills Competition.
Yun. Sinagot namin yung mga participants. As a member, as a participant, kami bahala sa...
What about yung mga endurance challenge?
Yes,
yung
whatever
mga
is, bas-
FJ,
support
yung
kami.
Club 200,
Support kami magbabayad. Or yung grupo ang magbabayad ng
or find support.
support bukod dun sa registration nyo or whatever the fee is needed dun sa competition, andun kami. Manggugulo
Housing
kami. With
Housing loan.
With tarpaulin.
with matching tarpaulin.
Nakita ko last time.
Yes.
Pambira dun sa Motor
Yes,
Clyde.
wala kaming pake kahit
kayo lang
mainit.
yung nag-cheer na may
Oo.
may...
We're there naman for the support. Wala kami pake kung manalo kami. Basta masaya na kami sumali kami
Oo,
dun.
tsaka ang solid nun yung show of force
Yes.
all the time.
Okay, ito na yung serious part ng,
Oo nga.
ng tunay na rider. Oh.
Alam nyo naman guys, we live in a world now where it's full of opinion, no? May kanya-kanya. Can you cite a few examples ng mga stereotypes or any highs and lows na na-experience ng grupo?
Pre-practice talaga niya yung tanong na yan eh.
Ay, hindi.
Binasa ko lang.
Talaga yung
may-
professional journalist.
Isa sa mga pinaka pagkakamaling pag-iisip pagdating sa grupo namin, sakala nila naka-Honda Rebel kami.
Oh, okay.
Kasi Rebels group.
Yun nga. Well, I mean, you can't blame people
Of
for
course.
thinking.
And actually, nag-start naman talaga sa naka-Honda Rebel sila Inday. Nung nag-start sila. Lahat sila naka-Honda Rebel. So, they started as the Rebels PH. But ngayon kasi parang sobrang konti na lang na naka-Rebel.
The
Siyempre, may
GS.
mga nag-a-upgrade.
Oh, katulad ng ano yung mga bike na
Upgrade.
upgrade.
Mga upgrade. Yung, like, yung katabi ko, may...
Ano ba, sobrang dami na
Daming
nito
bike na
eh.
yan.
Maraming
Ay,
upgrade.
doon na meron naka 1300 na
Meron
GS.
nang naka 1300.
Maraming naka GS.
Marami naka-GS.
Yes, yes.
Wala bang nang re-red tag sa inyo?
Uy,
Bakit?
Rebels.
Rebel group
Wag,
yun.
huwag mo silang bigyan ng idea.
Nako.
Bak, huwag mo
Oo
silang bigyan
nga.
ng idea. Kanina benefit, ngayon naman red tag. Baka ma-down yung page namin.
Insurgency yun. Iba yun. Okay.
Huwag kayo mag-ride doon sa Bangsamoro. Baka delikado.
Di pa naman
Oy,
kami na
pero may mga
ipapahinto.
nag-ano na sa atin, di ba? Nag-Philippine Loop.
Yes.
Nag-Mindanao,
Iman.
marami na rin.
Yes.
Hi there, my name is Earl, and I'm the host of Philippine Campfire Stories. After this episode that you're listening to, baka naman gusto mong mag-check ng mga horror stories sa mga folklore and urban legends na nangyayari sa Pilipinas. Mga true horror stories shared in a manner na hindi ka naman matatakot pero ma-entertain ka. Go ahead and check out Philippine Campfire Stories, and we have over 200 episodes just waiting for you. See you there.
You're the largest female group, but really gender is a lot more complex now with LGBTQ plus, and I'm a big believer in being inclusive. No, how do you define gender? Lalim nito.
Nako, iba.
Ano ba yan? Pang Miss Universe?
Oo nga eh. Like nakikita ko sa photo na pinadala nyo, nandun si Motobex.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yes.
Lady at heart.
Lady at heart. Oh. So I mean, like, how do you define gender?
Si Motobex kasi matagal na siyang nakapasok sa Rebels. Matagal na siyang member. So, kumbaga ba, hindi na namin siya inalis. Hinayaan na namin. Pero,
Makulit kasi eh.
oo. Pero ano kasi, marami kaming members na part of the LGBTQ plus
Spectrum.
community. Yes, oo, marami. And to be honest, I think at some point, good plus sila sa amin. Kasi of course, iba yung strength nila at some point. And then, may mga
Motobex,
topics
lakas
kami
nun.
na sa kanila galing. So, alam mo yun, mix yung mind namin pagdating sa mga usapan.
Yan. So inclusive and very open.
Kaya ang maganda doon, ang crew nila babae din.
Okay.
Right. How about challenges? Any challenge na experience ng group, like from the beginning, na every now and then na experience nyo pa rin?
I think like any other group, syempre meron din conflicts within the members.
Of course.
Kasi any group, basta pag sama-samahin mo, eventually if magkakaroon din yan ng conflict. So,
And basta more than one person.
Of course.
yes.
Dalawang tao magkakaroon na ng conflict yun.
Oo, so,
Opinions.
we try to keep it as a group. Kumbaga, if it's personal, they have to resolve it personally. If they have to raise the concern kung na-affect na yung group, they have to raise it with the officers.
Pwede rin.
With the admin. Kasi, syempre, kung it would affect the group, kailangan ding pag-usapan yan. So, ayun. Kaya hanggang ngayon, 4 years na, going 5, we're still a big group.
Yes.
Of Lady Riders. Kasi eventually, even with conflicts, nare-resolve naman.
Tama.
Okay, I'm curious. Speaking of problems, parking. Mahirap bang problema yan? Parking the bikes.
Swerte kami kasi ang dami naming crew.
Yun. Okay.
So, shout out dyan sa mga crew na napakasisipag. Yung iba sabi pag uwi, ano ba yan, sumama pa ako, napagod lang ako.
Minsan, naniningil na po ako.
Okay.
Kasi parang ano,
Bakit ikaw yung nagpa-park ng bike nung
Minsan, yes.
Actually, may mga instances naman na katulad niya. Meron kasi sa mga members kami, talagang malalakas
Sanay,
naman
yes.
talaga. Hindi lang mag-ride, pati sa pag-handle ng anong klaseng kalsada yun. So may mga
Katulad ni
chances
Miss Teki.
Hindi ako.
Grabe
Hindi,
yun.
inaalok lang namin like, lalo
need
pag mga
help.
aspirant, if you cannot park on that certain area, baba ka, ako magpa-park, or itutula kita, or whatever. Pero many times talaga, malaking tulong yung crew. Lalo yung malalaking motor.
Si Motobex, sama nyo. Taga-park.
Oo, malakas yun.
Motobex. Kasi si Motobex pinipili yung parking depende kung ano itsura ng parking attendant. Peace, Motobex!
Oy, love natin yan si Motobex.
Ikaw lang.
Uy, hindi nyo love si Motobex? Pambihira.
Not in that way. Kaibigan ko siya.
Oo nga, kaibigan ko rin.
May benefit si King may benefit.
Uy, hindi. Wala.
Nag-yoga sila pag ano.
Oh!
Hindi nga marunong mag-yoga eh.
Kontakin natin si Moto.
Madali lang yan.
Okay. Common struggles, guys. From handling to public perception, how do you deal with this? Anong dating sa mga tao at saka sa inyo?
May na-experience ka ba? Ako kasi, siguro, hindi lang within the group. Siguro outside din pag nakita nila medyo mahaba buhok, babae yung parang, ano bang tamang term? Sisingitan ka, yung mga
Ginigit-git, ganun.
Oo, yung tipong,
Pambihira.
okay, kaya ko to overtikan or whatsoever, yung mga ganyang.
Ay, babae lang
Pero,
yan.
kasi-
That's why ang bilis ni Miss Teki. Kasi nakakatakot eh.
Hindi, may advantage and disadvantage. Kasi ang advantage naman, pag nakita ng babae, oy, padaan kuya, okay, go. Kahit sobrang haba na nila, mauna ka.
Kasi
ganun.
kinikwento ni Mark Sung. Parang magkasama kayo sa ride. Iniwan mo siya.
Hindi, ayaw lang niya magmabilis.
Hindi, sabi niya, grabe si Miss Teki, ang bibilis nila.
Ducati ride yun eh.
Hindi Rebels ride yun.
Hindi, pag naiwan ka, wala ka ng pagkain sa dulo. Kaya kailangan mabilis ka.
Okay.
Is there a skew regarding the bikes now? You said GS, Honda Rebel, you ride a Triumph na 900. Are there certain bikes that you ladies gravitate to that guys don't really gravitate to? Like may targeting yan di ba? May persona yung mga bikes
Normally, syempre, pag nagsisimula ka pa lang, low seat height.
That's why the Honda Rebel
Cruisers.
is a great bike.
Yes, so
diba?
cruiser na mga bikes.
Harley Davidson,
Yan.
mga gano'n.
CLC 450, CF Moto, syempre.
Yes.
TLC.
CLC, bobber ng Triumph.
Yeah.
It's very,
Oo.
seat height friendly. Rebel. Even the Rebel 1100, meron
Oo,
din.
oo, meron.
Na mababa rin.
Mababa pa rin
Mababa
siya.
pa rin.
Yes.
Kasi
R18,
medyo hindi
mga ganun.
pinalad sa height
So height is really a challenge.
Of course. Lalo pag beginner ka kasi, yung confidence hindi ganun kalakas Pero, mapapansin mo sa tagal ko rin sa Rebels, magugulat ka, mga after lang rides lang, taas na nung motor.
Biglang mag-adventure bike.
Oo, biglang from 400 to 500cc, naka 1000cc na. Tapos makikita mo sobrang skilled na talaga. So, sumasabay yung skills nila sa pagpapalit ng motor.
Okay.
Do you guys have any projects coming up na gusto nyong i-promote?
Promote?
Oo. Mga charity ride, mga ganun.
Kami naman, besides the usual rides and the usual fellowships within the group, wala kaming big events We focus really within our group. Tapos sumasali kami sa mga events like yung upcoming Manibela. So sabi namin, baka may gusto sa inyo sumali, kami bahala, kami susupport.
Meron ba? May pumalag?
Last year meron, si Jelly. This year, injured pa si Jelly. So, baka si Frances. O
Yan.
yung mga nandyan sa harap namin.
Yan.
Yeah, support kami.
For people who don't know, grabe. This is the first time. We've had many groups. No, we've guested a lot of groups on Tunay na Rider.
Oo.
This is the first time na may cheering squad.
Support
may
group.
full support
Yeah.
yung Rebels. There's
Tahimik nga parang gutom pa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Naka-outfit pa.
Yes, of
Pang-6
course.
si Randy. Pang-anim si
Pang-6 si
Randy.
Kasama yan sa...
Kasali ka ba?
Yun. May audience yung Rebels na just to support. Plus crew.
Yes,
Yun.
of course.
Yun, yung crew si Kuya Randy.
Going back, besides the rides, the mga competitions sinasalihan, besides the loops or last time nag-camping sila, ang sarap.
Uy.
Yes,
Sa picture lang ako
kakagaling lang
nakatingin.
namin.
Sarap. Sa katapusan, meron kaming sports fest. Pero we're trying to have only members muna. Kasi we want the bonding. So,
Ano yung mga sports?
volleyball tsaka badminton.
Oh, okay. Saan magaganap yan?
Sa Mets. Sa Pasay.
Okay.
So, 2 team pa lang, South and Northeast. Tama ba?
Yes. Yeah.
So, ngayon pa lang kami magkakaalaman yung mga yabang namin sa kalsada kung pwede rin sa loob ng court.
Yan. Okay.
Mukhang magandang kantsawan to. Ibang experience naman for the Rebels.
Upload nyo para mapanood namin.
Yes,
yung mga
always.
magaganap dyan.
Dapat dyan i-live stream
Si Miss Techie pa,
Abangan
ila-live
nyo
stream
sa
niya.
page namin.
Anything else you guys wanna promote since nandito na rin lang tayo?
Or say thank you to brands and
baka may
partners.
gusto kayong pasalamatan. Gaya ng WWR, thank you sa pag-ampon sa amin.
Barbecue
May
Shack.
Pagkain pa, Barbecue Shack.
Ako, thank you lang, of
Ito,
course,
marami
sa mga...
to.
Hindi, yung
Labas mo
mga...
na yung listahan.
May kode ko Parang,
Of course, WWR, Alpine Star, Moto Market, Moto World. Yan kasi yung mga typical, alam niyo yung mga babae, mahilig sa bagong riding shoes, bagong riding jacket. So, napakalaking tulong sa amin pag may mga brands na, oh sure, punta lang kayo dyan. Actually, napakarami. I hope we have the list.
Yung Cardo, no? Ganda no?
Ride Manila, yes, shout out. And lalo pag nag-anniversary kami or Christmas party, yan, overpouring talaga yung sponsors.
Ayun,
Ayan,
may
nag-list.
listahan na.
Naku,
Go.
You read it.
Nasa iyo yung listahan. Di ba
Yes.
sabi mo?
Ito, gusto po na yung pasalamat doon sa mga partner namin like Alpine Star, Top Fit, Bike Attack, Car Scoot,
Car Scoot.
Miss Techie, Gears and Coffee, of course, Road Tag,
Road Tag.
RE Bacoor,
Yes. Royal Enfield.
Jersey Mate, AA Classic Motors, Ciclo as
Ciclo
well.
Supplies.
Sila
Yes.
Fritz, di ba?
Yup.
Fritz yun.
Royal Moto Club, Tambike Vespa Accessories kasi meron din sa amin may mga mga scooters
Oo.
na Vespa.
Grabe, parang feeling
and
ko
yung
Boodle
mga-
Group pala yung Rebels, no? Hindi nakakatakot sumali dyan.
Hindi naman.
Kailangan may budget.
Oo.
Tsaka yung sinasabing discount kanina, siguro diyan kayo may mga discount. Sa mga
Yes,
ibang
oo,
group.
meron.
The more you buy, the more you
Automoto,
save.
of course.
Automoto. So, yung mga, even the businesses, no?
Yeah,
fellow,
exactly.
Fellow members
Isa to sa mga benefit.
Outside the
No,
bike
we
community
support
na yan.
first yung mga business ng members. So, umiikot kami. Kunwari, may coffee shop ka, isasama ka namin sa ride
Yun ang
schedule.
priority.
Yes, priority ka. And then, kunwari, may naghahanap ng ganitong service, kunwari, papagawa ng damit. Isa, gumagawa ng damit. So, siya muna, bago lumabas, we prioritize yung within the members. Kasi, kaya naman kami nagsama-sama, di ba? Kaya nga women empowerment.
Correct,
Tulungan
correct,
namin isa't
correct,
isa
correct.
para makabilis lang bagong bike.
Yan.
Yes, so speaking of, thank you MHLK.
Yes,
Yes,
Maharlika, clothing.
Clothing, thank you.
Of course.
Yes.
Alam mo,
Diba?
napupuno yung studio, pare.
Dumadami yung support
Oo.
group. Ito na, nadadagdagan silang patuloy. Itanong na natin, Iba,
Yeah,
yung
go.
golden question. Miss Teki, familiar ka dito sa tanong
Ayan,
na to?
nakasagot na ako. Si Frances.
Ano, siya na.
Bakit hindi ba nagbago?
Pwede.
Yun pa
As
rin
a
ba?
rebel na lang.
Oo, as a
Yes.
rebel, yan.
Version
Okay.
1, version 2.
For the rebels, be the voice of the group, no? Para sa inyo, anong kahulugan ng pagiging isang tunay na
Tunay na
rider?
rider. Ang sagot ko before is someone na hindi pa tapos yung ride, iniisip na yung next ride. Pero as a rebel, I think choosing us first, choosing the group first, and standing by the group, choosing kung may problema man, choosing na maayos. Because at the end of the day, walang kasing sarap maging rider pag member ka ng Rebels.
Yan.
Yan. The good of the many, the good of the group.
Yes.
Yan. Okay.
Ikaw, Frances.
For you.
For me, ang tunay na rider as a rebel, I think is someone na no matter what your skill set or your capabilities, you are always ready to help your fellow
Yes.
Yan. Okay.
So, syempre, meron din mga bago lang na riders. You will always have to adjust
For
para
them.
matulungan din sila. Kasi eventually, those people will also be helping others once they gain that skill
Skills,
set.
yes.
So, ayun. Kumbaga, pay it forward with your fellow riders.
Yan. Tulungan mo silang maging malakas gaya mo, Frances.
Tama.
Napakalakas mo
Tama.
nito. Oh. Yun. On that note, Iba,
Well, shout out lang. So, not only did WWR provide us this space
Oo.
to do our show, not only did they also provide the gear that we use to
Yes,
shoot the show,
oo, always.
but JC set up our final Women's Month episode.
powerhouse to. Iba.
Powerhouse,
Wow.
lahat ng brands. This is again supporting women empowerment.
Kasi buwan nyo to.
Align kami with the rebels. Basahin ko lang yung guest natin
Oo,
for the next
big
episode.
time yan. Okay, go.
So we've got the GM of Triumph,
Owen?
Owen.
Santos, yes.
We've got the COO of CF Moto,
Joanne.
Joanne
Lu.
Yan.
We've got the brand ambassador of BMW.
Karen?
God, parang ano to, game show
Yes.
Ang sila-sila lang din nila.
Yes.
We've got the
Tama ka ba?
fastest woman on two wheels.
Oh, Jack.
Perfect score si
And
Frances.
then we've got the fastest human-powered woman on two wheels in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Si Ariana.
Ariana.
Oh,
Evangelista.
nice.
And the GM of Vespa, Maris Chua.
Yes.
Yun.
You'll
So
meet her.
almost all the big brands are
And the
powered
big bosses.
by women.
Big bosses nila, kababaihan, di ba?
So this is a super exciting episode. So before you go,
Next week.
we have a couple of gifts for you guys. Ito yung fresh to arrive.
Yan.
Tunay na scent of tunay na rider.
Gagamitin ko yan, fresh to arrive.
So
Fresh to arrive.
it's not a perfume, but it's actually gear cleaner, panglinis ng visor, panglinis ng jacket and
Hindi mo
gloves.
sinabi sa akin na hindi yan perfume. Ini-spray ko sa akin yung
And
binigay mo
then
ganyan.
we've got
Mabango
tunay-
kasi.
No, okay. So I brought all of this stuff because whenever I see Miss Teki, palaging may gift siya sa
Oo,
akin. May
laging-
jersey, may keychain. She
pasalubong.
always has pasalubong. So we also got Tunay na Rider
Jersey.
for Miss Teki. Yan, thanks to
Yeah.
our friends at Q815.
Shout
Pati doon may
out.
nakasulat na fresh, to arrive.
All
Oo
right.
nga, sa likod meron.
So yeah, catch us next week for the final episode of our Women's Month.
Yeah.
Series yan. Okay. Salamat, Castrol. Salamat,
Barbecue Shack.
Barbecue Shack. Salamat, WWR.
WWR.
Thank you guys for dropping
Thank
by.
you.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
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 Take us out. Ride hard, ride safe.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.